Hello everyone, welcome back to new Tec Pro channel. Today we're diving into an essential topic: how to prevent your multimeter from burning out and extending its lifespan. Okay, let's make sure your trusty tool stays in top shape. Introduction to the multimeter. The multimeter is an indispensable tool for anyone working with electronics. It's like a Tech Swiss Army knife, measuring voltage, current, resistance, and more. But without proper care, it can burn out faster than you think. Common causes of multimeter burnout. So, what can cause a multimeter to burn out? Here are some common culprits. Number 1, overloading the circuit. Okay, my friend, when you try to measure a voltage, you can see here voltage, or current, you can see here measuring current, that too high for your multimeter can overload and damage the internal component. You can see information multimeter. As you can see here, DC voltage, for example, this multimeter, range, DC voltage, range, and AC voltage, range. And for other example, you can see here DC voltage range, AC voltage range, and DC current range here, and AC current range here. Number 2, incorrect measurement setting. Setting the multimeter to the wrong mode, like measuring current when you should be measuring voltage, can lead to costly mistakes and potential burnout. Number 3, faulty probes and connections. Using worn out probes or making poor connections can cause short circuits, leading to your multimeter's untimely demise. Okay, tips to prevent multimeter burnout. Now let's talk about how to keep your multimeter safe and sound. Number 1, know your multimeter's limits. For example, here you can see multimeter limits. Always check the specifications and don't exceed the maximum rating. Your multimeter will thank you. Number 2, double check settings. Before you take any measurement, ensure your multimeter is set to the correct mode and range. A quick double check can save your tool. Number 3, use quality probes. Investing in good quality probes and inspect them regularly. Replace them if they're damaged. Number 4, handle with care. Avoid dropping or exposing your multimeter to extreme conditions. Treat it like the precision instrument it is. Okay, my friend, by following these simple tips, you can keep your multimeter in great shape and avoid the frustration of burnout. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy measuring.